Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motor Cars here in Rogers, Minnesota, northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota, and a mere 45 minutes away from the Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport for those of you who want to fly in and look at stuff in person. Well, today we're going to talk about the epitome, in my opinion, of the muscle car era, the 1970 Chevelle. I'll tell you what, an SS to boot, big block car, neat color, desert sand. Oh, you're going to want to watch this video from start to finish because we're going to do a walk around, we'll do a cold start, give you all the details of this, what I consider the epitome of muscle cars was 1970. Now, you can also click on the link in the description and it'll take you right to our website and the pricing and more information on this car, plus have access to our over 100 additional vehicles we currently have on our sales floor, ranging from cars in the 1920s all the way up into the 2000s and beyond. So if you're looking for that first collectible or your 100th, you need to fill something in, Ellingson Motor Cars probably has it sitting right here on our sales floor. Give us a call, 763-428-7337, and we'll do our best to answer any and all questions you may have. Well, let's get back to the car of the hour right here, a 1970 Chevelle, which I did own a 70 Chevelle in the day. This happens to be a really, really nice example in kind of a rare color, that desert sand gold. It's really a neat color this day and age. You didn't see it very much even in 1970, but I think it really looks great, especially with the black SS stripes on it. Now, sitting, of course, under the hood is going to be nothing but a big block Chevrolet. This happens to be the SS 396 package. But someone else added lots of nice stuff to go with that thing. So that's always one of the things with these old cars. It's all the options make a lot of difference. Of course, SS package, really important for many of us out there. This car actually has original paperwork. We do have the build sheet that says this is a true SS 396. SS, of course, had the black grille with the SS emblems. Always right here, the marker lights are clear on an SS. And of course, it has the black stripes on there. But they also, on this particular car, added things such as power steering, which is a nice addition on any car. They added power front disc brakes, another really nice addition on one of these cars. They got dual outside mirrors. And if there was any ever doubt when you pulled up next to somebody, you always looked on the front fender right here, and it kind of gives you, ooh, I got to be a little more careful. This guy's got a little bit more performance under the hood. And of course, the interior is beautiful, done with the bucket seat, center console. But see, the biggest improvement on these old cars right now are the radial tires. This happens to have the BFGoodrich Radial TAs with the factory mags, with the SS cap in the center. I mean, it really sets this car off. Nice thing about these cars, they actually have a trunk. So if you're like me and you want to go to the golf course, open the trunk, you get a couple sets of clubs in there, and away you go. One other thing that's really something that I always look for, because having owned one of these, I'm kind of one of those guys that's kind of persnickety, if you will. Got the correct exhaust tips on there. That's always one of the things. And the SS rubber thing right here in the center of the bumper. But I just love the look of the 70, the dual headlights, the square tail lights. You know, this car just has an exquisite sound. It's got the FlowMaster muffler, dual exhaust system. Really, really nice. Looking down the side of these cars, I mean, they are just really, I mean, this car looks like it's going fast when it's standing still. But yeah, take a look at the inside in this particular car. I mean, you got the 396 big block. That's got the turbo hydromatic 400, turbo 400 with the horseshoe shifter right there in the middle. And of course, it's got all the gauges right at your fingertips with the padded dash. Aftermarket stereo looks like it's right there in place. Beautiful SS 396 floor mats. Just really is that extra little touch of specialty, I guess, that we kind of do here at Ellingson Motor Cars. It just really sets that interior off. In the black buckets, whatever, the Strato-Bucket seats, very comfortable. I know, like I said, I owned one of these in the day, and it was like really a fast car. I mean, by this standards today, it's even a very fast car. Well, now, if you're like me, you can find all our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate it very much, and you have all the information on those sites at your fingertips. It'll give you information on our current inventory, some of our cars we've sold in the past as well. So if you enjoy perusing those websites, by all means, I highly recommend that. The other thing that we always get is people say, you know, I love the videos, really does show a great deal. We do the cold start. We'll have underside pictures of the car. You really get a good feel, but some of us are like me. I want to come and go, yeah, it's real. It's right here. It's in person. We'd love to have you come on down to Ellingson Motor Cars. We are open to the public Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, Saturdays 10 to 4 as well, Central Standard Time. Good old Minnesota anyway. But yes, it's got the bump hood on this. I mean, like I said, the SS package, we have the original build sheet and it tells you all the stuff. Remember, everything was an option. If you wanted the bump hood, that was an option. You wanted the raised leather tires, that was an option. Dual outside mirrors, an option. This car actually came with an AM/FM radio, the rally wheels, the striping, and of course it's got the SS emblem in the grille and on the back and the door panels as well. So it really is what it's supposed to be, if you know what I mean. That's kind of what this is. But yes, if you want to come on down in person, we'd love to have you come down. Now, the other thing that you can do is I always recommend, if you own a car, be it a Chevy or a Ford or a Dodge, whatever it is, Hudson, join the local or national club. We think it's really important that you do, because you're going to find people who have the same interests that you do. You'll find Mr. Wrench, the guy who can fix anything. And although these are still simplistic cars, I mean, they do have a carburetor. They do have spark plugs. It's all something that, you know, I learned how to work on when I was a lot younger. But, you know, there's still stuff that you can do on these cars yourself. Lots of parts readily available for the restoration process on these cars. You can add extra things if you were so inclined. Someone did a great job ordering this new in 1970, and, you know, why not? It's just one of those really special cars, to say the least. Now, if you're saying, how do I get this car shipped to me? I live out of state or whatever. I'm not in Minnesota. We certainly have ways to get a car to any place in the 48 United States. And we get cars shipped all over the world, for that matter. We've sold cars all the way to Australia, New Zealand, even Pakistan and Europe, and you name it. We've sold cars almost any place in the world. If you happen to be one of those people, don't let this stop you from getting it shipped to you. We can do it. Anyway, it's the other thing that people always ask with the old car world is, you know, I went to my local bank. They don't know what a 70 Chevelle is. They're not really sure what that car is. Well, we have also sources on our website. If you go to our toolbar on the top, we've got inventory and it says financing. We can offer financing options for you. I mean, we have many of them available for different terms, different amounts. You name it, we've got it. Just check out that. If you need to get financing, we can certainly help with that. Well, 1970, I think everyone will, in the muscle car world, will agree, it was kind of the high point in the muscle car era. The government hadn't quite put all the kibosh on everything and made everything pollution controlled and whatever. Still could get good gas. Oh, that was always one of the things we were always looking for in the day. There are places you can find where the good gas is available too. Anyway, well, this is the story on what we have right now. Beautiful desert sand gold Chevelle 1970. If you're looking to add to your collection, by all means, take a look at this one, watch the video. And if you got questions, give me a call, 763-428-7337, and we will do our very best to answer any and all questions. Well, thank you again, and we'll see you next time at EllingsonMotorCars.com.